Hi, welcome to the Madame Sophie channel, your sophisticated lifestyle, beauty, and wellness channel. Today I'm going to be doing a summer sunset inspired eyeshadow tutorial. For this eyeshadow tutorial, I'm only going to be using one palette from Juvia's Place, and I will be using the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place. As you can see right now, I am working on those eyebrows. I'm not going too crazy with the eyebrows. I'm just gonna do it very simple, very effortless. I'm not going to do the works with the eyebrows for this look because I want it to be very simple. To do my eyebrows today, I'm going to be using the soft brown eyeshadow pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going over that with some eyebrow powder. I really love using this eyebrow gel over my eyebrows for to help to keep those eyebrows in place. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer. Today I'm going to be using a concealer from Revlon. And I'm also going to be using a concealer from Colourpop Cosmetics as well. And I'm not only shaping my eyebrows with that concealer, I am also going to set my eyelid with that concealer as well. So guys, if you are interested in purchasing these contact lenses I am wearing in this video, please check out the link below. I got the opportunity to work with the Clear Eye company, and this company basically specializes in selling contact lenses of different colors. They also do prescribed contact lenses, so go check them out. And you could use a 30% off coupon code if you type in Sophy30, that is SOPHY 30 at your checkout. You could get 30% off your entire purchase. So don't forget to check out the link below if you are interested in purchasing some contact lenses from Clear Eye. The color I'm rocking in this video is actually premium brown. So now I'm going to go in with my foundation. I have already set my eyebrow. I have already blended in that concealer. So now I'm going in with my foundation. Since I'm not going very bold with my eyelid color or my eyeshadow, I decided to go on with my foundation first, since I'm not using any dark colors per se for this look. And for foundation, I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Glow Foundation for this look. And I also used a concealer from Revlon Cosmetics underneath that foundation. I also went in with my concealer. I believe I used the Colourpop Cosmetics concealer to set my under eye area. And I used the mixture of medium, dark, and dark. So now I'm going in with my Airspun face powder. I believe I am using the shade Santana. And I'm just setting my under eye area with that Airspun face powder. Face powder to set that foundation. I am using my favorite face powder ever in the whole wide world. I am using my CoverGirl Cosmetics face powder, and the shade of face powder I'm using today is called Translucent Honey. Now that I'm going in with my eyeshadow, and I am basically using the very dark brown color in this palette. Unfortunately, that version of the Juvia's Place palette, the shades in this palette did not have any names, but as you can see, I am going in with that dark brown color in the Zulu palette. Blending in everything, and I believe I'm using a blending brush by BH Cosmetics for this part. I'm going in with some concealer, and I'm just basically, I'm not really shaping, I'm not really cutting my crease, but I'm just adding a little bit of concealer on the bottom part of my eyelid. I'm kind of going halfway in with that concealer, nothing too crazy. Since I want this look to be very effortless, I am going in with that concealer, and I'm basically patting it dry with that brush. Now I'm going to go back into that same palette, and what I did this time is I actually dipped my brush in both the orange and the yellow shade in this palette to create this shade. So I dipped that brush in orange and yellow. I went back and forth in these two shades. Then I went on and I applied it on my eyelid. I really love this combination. It definitely reminds me of an effortless summer sunset, and I am definitely loving this look. So now that I'm done with this shade, I am going to go in with my MAC Dazzle shadow, and I'm going to go in the shade Slow Fast Slow, and I'm basically just going to apply that in the inner corner part of my eyelid, just to add a little bit of drama, but not too much drama to this look. And I'm also going to blend in that Dazzle shadow in. So I just went on and I applied my mascara, and I also brought down that dark brown shade to my waterline of this eyeshadow look. So this is the final look. I hope you guys love this eyeshadow look. I hope you guys love this tutorial. Also, don't forget to check out the description section of this video to check out the link to purchase these beautiful premium brown contact lenses from Clear Eye. Don't forget to use my coupon code Sophie30 for 30% off your entire purchase on this website. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be amazing. Don't forget to be you. And don't forget to be Sophie. Bye, honeys.